Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And a couple firsts for me today. Mainly, it's going to be my first time ever picking Master LOTO tagout lock. Basically just ones I've never had one. Once never came across my desk until recently when I got this from Murloc68. So buddy, thanks once again for the awesome package. And also it's going to be my first time taking part in Pocket Woman's LOTO Tuesday, so that's pretty cool too. Yeah, I think this is the 401 keyway. Yep. And let's see what we can do. I will add too, when I first got this thing, I did try to get into it, but I only had, I think I put 10 minutes on it, and I had to do something else. I had to leave, and yeah, haven't gotten into it. So hopefully we can get it open for the first time here on camera. Homemade tensioner and 15,000s pick from West Coast Picks here. I will say too, I know the pinning in this lock, well, in these locks, I'm pretty sure. I think they usually have a serrated pin and then the rest spools. But I don't know where that serrated pin is, if it's in 6 or 1. Really weird feedback. Okay. Tiny turn. Okay, there we got a false set. Something to work with. Counter rotation. I think that was 3. Yeah. Nothing on 2. Whoa. That totally felt like a pin, but that was my tensioner there. So maybe 1 is set. That's the thing about picking through a camera. Normally I can kind of see the keyway and have a better idea where my pick is. I think I'm doing it again. Okay, I'm going to look around the camera here. Wow. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I just hit 1 and the false set increased, and then I knew that it pushed up basically more on that spool section, and then I got better feedback from 1, so that was it. Yeah, I'm not going to turn this core any more than that. Whoa. Yeah. A lot of people end up breaking these. They'll end up turning the core past the limiters here, and then the key pins are free to drop out the holes in the bottom of the core. So, man, that was a tough lock. I wish, hang on, stand by. I wish I had that core in this lock here. I bought this lock when I first started, and man, the core in this thing is just friggin' pitiful. It's oh, I'd be ashamed of it if I were Master Lock. Maybe I'll show that sometime. And there was no spools or anything in this friggin' thing. This thing is a, I don't know, $45 piece of crap. A total waste of money. I mean, nice beefy body, hardened shackle and everything, but I can't believe the core in this thing. It's just, oh, it's a shame. It's words can't describe how bad it is. But yeah, these cores are awesome. It's funny, everyone says, and I believe it. It's the best core Master Lock makes in its crappiest body, and yeah, I don't know why they don't put good cores in their decent bodies, because they are strong locks. Some of the bigger ones. Anyway, I'm kind of blabbing on there, bit of a rant, but Mur, once again, thanks for the awesome package, buddy, and thanks for the opportunity to pick a Master Lock and take part in LOTO Tuesday. Guess that's going to be it for this video, and as always, guys, I appreciate everyone's support, and don't be shy to leave a message there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.